Hello, my dear children. Today's topic is math, subtraction, and addition words problem. In the class, also, I've taught you how to do the words problem of one digit number. In this, also, I'll do the same. I'm going to tell you that how you're going to do the word problem of single digit number. So, let's start with it. Today, we will going to deal with the numbers word problems. Now the question arises, what is a word problem? Ma'ams always say word problem. Then what is the meaning of this? So a word problem is a few sentences describing a real life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by the way of a mathematical calculation. That means you have to solve a problem by using a mathematical calculations. Maths are used for solving the real life problem. That is what is called a word problem or a number stories. So today you are going to learn this only, that how you will going to solve a word problem in a mathematical way. What is the sum? You can see sum means addition. When you join two numbers, it is called sum. For example, you can see over here 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, right? So plus is the known as sum. Addition is the another word of sum. So sum means adding two numbers. You're not excluding any numbers, you are adding two numbers. 5 plus 5, that is 10. That's called sum. Now, what is the difference? Difference means subtraction. Means you are decreasing the quantity of the number. 6 minus 3. It's very easy. You can take out 6 finger, and from that you will, if you take away 3 fingers, how many fingers are left with you? 3. The answer is 3. That is called the difference. Difference means subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines have been made, and from the 6 lines, if I cut 1, 2 and 3 lines, then how many lines are left? 3 lines are left. Then that is called the difference. That is called the subtraction. Now let's go to practical work and think practically, because I've always told you that math is a practical thing. You cannot learn, you have to understand and then you can do it. So, a word problem is an addition or subtraction story. That is why we call it number stories also. How to solve? There are many. There are 5 steps in which you can solve a word problem. First, read the problem. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times आपको अच्छे से प्रॉब्लम को रीड करना है. You have to read the problem, and then you have to circle the important numbers. When you read the problem, you will find it out. The important numbers are there. You circle it out that number and underline the important words which shows it is addition or subtraction. Then you can draw a picture. Draw a picture means either you can draw a circle or you can draw a line to add or subtract. And then the last point, solve. Then here I am showing you important words also. For addition, there are 4 words which comes for addition, like in all, combined, all together, total and more. In subtraction, the words like left, few, minus, take away, less, these are the subtraction. Now let's see some examples. You are seeing that two ducks are on swimming on the water, right? And very beautiful scenario you can see. How many ducks are swimming on the water? Two ducks are swimming. Then you see that two more ducks come and start swimming on the water. Previously, two ducks were there, then two more ducks have joined them, right? Up. Now you want to know what is the answer because two were there and two more have come. Then how many total ducks are there on the water? So what you will going to do? You will going to join them. You will going to add them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ducks you can see now? 4 ducks. So, example, in a pond there were two ducklings. Then two more ducklings joined them. How many total ducklings are there? This type of question will going to be arise in the number stories or word problem. But you will see an important word over here, total. I've always told you that total means addition. When there's a word total come, that means you are adding the two numbers. The two numbers you will find over here, two ducklings and two more ducklings. So 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is always equal to 4, right? 2, we take our two fingers and then you will going to add 2. After 2 what comes? 3 and 4. So you will not going to take above number, you will take the down number and take out two fingers and from the above number you will continue 3 and 4. The answer is 4. So 4 ducklings were there. Now there's more one question you can see. There were 7 birds sitting on a tree. Out of it, 3 birds flew away. How many birds are left? Oh, so that means 2. First, you have to circle the important number. So, which number you're going to circle? There were 7 birds sitting on a tree. And 3. 7 and 3 is the two numbers, right? But you are saying the important word left. Left is the important word. Left means subtraction. Left means not addition. It always means subtraction. So 7, 3, subtraction, minus. What are we going to get? You can use number lines also and you can use your fingers also. If you want, you can take out 7 fingers. See? Like this, you will go and take out 7 fingers. And from this 7 fingers, you can down 3 fingers. 1, 2, and 3. 3 fingers. If you down, then how many fingers are left with you? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are left. Now the answer is 4. This way also you can do the subtraction. It is absolutely very easy. Right? By using your fingers, you can easily do the subtraction. The word left always signifies subtraction. Now here you can see a tree. On the tree you can see many birds are sitting. Let's count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 birds are on the tree. 1 flew away. 2 flew away. 3 flew away. Now, how many birds are left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 birds are left on the tree. Alright. So, that is showing what? Subtraction because 3 flew away. Now is the practice time. There are these much bees in the hive and these much more fly in. How many bees are in the hive in all? We have to count the bees first. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bees are there and more fly in. All. This all word. All means addition. Whenever you heard this word all, this means addition. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bees are there now in a hive. 7 plus 4 is 11. Always remember that the word all means addition. Whenever the word all is there is no subtraction, only addition. Now here you can see the second question. Beautiful balloons are there. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons, and out of the 6 balloons you have popped up one balloon. Popped up means burst out. Burst out one balloon, right? Then how many balloons are left now? See the word left over there. Left always signifies subtraction. So left means subtraction. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3. One is popping out, right? So how you will going to do the subtraction? Let's see. 6 balloons are there, in which 3 popped out. 1, 2 and 3. 3 popped out means 3 burst out. How many are left? Only 3 are left, right? You can either use number lines or you can use your fingers to take out the answer. When 6 balloons are there, 3 popped out. That means it is 3 left. Now here's a homework for you. Now solve the word problem. Draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars and then cross out 4 stars. How many stars are left? Again the word come left over here. So you will have to in your mind, left means subtraction. So out of 6 stars, how many stars have been crossed? 4 stars. What's left? You have to do this. So 6 minus 4. How much is left? 2. Now Sia has 3 ice cream cones and 2 cup ice cream. How many total ice cream Sia has? Now you can see the word total over here. Total means what? Total means it is addition, right? Total means it is addition. Okay. So, well, like this you're going to do. Stay home, be happy and safe. Thank you.